today. Welcome back to your favorite math TV channel, Top Notch Figures TV. I remain Temitope Oluwafumilaya Abdul, your best math teacher for both online and physical learning. Today, we will continue from where we stopped, subtraction. And today, we will be learning word problems relating to subtraction. Thank you. Remember to what? Like, share, subscribe, and comment. It is very, very important. Thank you. All right. Today, in our last class, we talked about subtraction. And I told you what subtraction is. I said subtraction simply means what? To take away a number from another, to reduce it or to make it smaller. And we talked about the sign. The sign is a dash. It looks like a dash, fill in the gap, dash. And we talked about keywords related to subtraction: minus, difference, subtract, reduce, and so on. I also showed you an equation where we have the bigger number being the minute and the smaller number being the subtrahend, and your answer, which tells you the difference. So today we'll be looking into these examples. I have 30 marbles. I gave 21 of them to Rosemary, my friend. How many marbles do I have left? Now, when you're dealing with a word problem, when you have word problem, to tackle a word problem, you need what? To read and understand. Make sure you understand what the problem is actually saying. Maybe you are to add or to subtract. Maybe you are to multiply or to divide. It's very important that you understand the question. Here it says, I gave 21 of my marbles to Rosemary. Meaning that I took out from the marbles that I have, the 30 pieces of marbles I have, I gave out 21. From it, I gave out. And from the keywords we learned about subtraction, that simply means what? To take away. Meaning, I took away 21 of them to Rosemary. If I'm not using gave, then I can say I took away 21 to Rosemary. So meaning what? I should subtract. So this simply means 30, which is my minute, minus 21, the subtrahend, then I should get my difference. And this will quickly take us back to our place value. This will take us back to our place value, where we have, I told you we start from the least, which is from the left, your unit, followed by your, from the right rather, your unit, then followed by your tens. Here we have a 0 as a unit, then 3 as a tens. So we have 3 tens here. Here we have 2 tens, 1 unit. How do we subtract this? We can subtract this different ways without even counting. I told you that I have a book, Figures Made Easy, written by Abdul Temitope Fumilayo. I will urge you to please get the book so you can get yourself familiarized with all the activities that could help you subtract, add, multiply without counting or racking your brain. There are simple activities and a lot of tricks are in the book that will help you. Now we have this, our tens and our units. We have 0 and 3. Remember, we are having this first because that is the bigger number. I told you, you take away a smaller number from a bigger number. You take away a smaller number from a bigger number. So 30 is bigger than 21. So that is why I have my 30 written first before my 21. You can see this. 0 minus 1. When you have nothing, can I take away 1 from nothing? 1 from nothing. It is impossible. There is nothing here, so there is nothing I can count from here. But there is something I could do. I can go to the next door. my neighbor, 3. If I come here to take a 10, I'm coming here to borrow 1. When I borrow 1 from here, it is not just 1. I'm not just taking 1 unit. It is a 10. Remember, this is 3 tens. So coming here to borrow 1, then it gives me a 10. So when you have 10 plus 0, 10 plus 0 is what? 10. So when I take my 1 and I put it here, then this becomes what? 10. So 10 take away 1. Now remember when we did our addition, I told you that you count forward. But now when you're doing your subtraction, you count backwards. So before 10, 10 minus 1 simply tells you that before 10, what do you have? Before 10, what number do I have? 9. So you write 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. 10 minus 1 is 9. Remember, I already took 1 10 from this. I already took 1 10 from this 10. So how many do I have left? 3 backward. I'm going 1 because I took 1. So backward, before 3, what number do I have? 2. So now what do I have now? 2 take away 2. It is what? 0. So how many marbles do I have left? I have 9 marbles. I have 9 marbles. I hope you understand. Now let us see the next question. The next question says there are 20 pupils in grade 1. There are 20 pupils in grade 1. If 12 of them are girls, how many boys are in grade 1? There are 20 pupils in grade 1. If 12 of them are girls, how many boys are in grade 1? We have 20 girls. 20 girls in grade 1. 12 are, we have 20 pupils rather. 20 pupils. All the pupils in grade 1 are 20, but 12 of them are girls. How many boys do we have? So meaning when you have all the children together, then you count, you want to separate them. Girls this way, boys that way. Girls this way. So meaning that the girls will be taken away from the boys, or the boys taken away from the girls. So now we have it like this: 20, all the children minus the girls. 20, these are all the pupils, which is a minute, minus 12, the girls, which is what you're subtracting. So what will be the difference? 20 minus 12. Remember, why do I have 20 at the top? Because 20 is bigger than 12. 20 is more than 12. Just like we did this. Now I'm to borrow 1 to this 0, because I cannot take away 2 from nothing. I cannot take 2 away from 0. So I will borrow a 10 from here. Remember, this is your 10 and this is your unit. So when I take a 10 from here, this becomes 10. And this, when I take a 10 from here, how many do I have left? I will have 1 10. Remember, 2 backwards. When I have 2, I'm going backward 1 time. So before 2, what do I have? 1. 10 minus 2. Count 2 steps backward from 10. From 10, you're moving backward twice. 9, 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how many boys do we have? We have 8 boys. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing, and your comments. I really appreciate. So in our next class, we will learn more. And remember to ask for your book, Figures Made Easy by Temitope Abdul. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Love you.